My name is Fanny Dorta. I'm sales manager for BlueBotics. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. So AGV and AMR using BlueBotics technology are used in many industries, warehouse, logistics, to move materials from part A to part B in an optimistic way. AMR like that, but also on automated forklifts, in-house, outside, whatever needed to move objects in a factory. We are getting a lot of very positive feedback from customers in India, and there will be a lot of application in the near future. ZAPI Group is an Italian company here based in Pune as well, and is providing different components for any industrial electric vehicle.